installing the wall panels, the next step is to install the mosaic tile trim piece above the wall panels. So we have the corner blocks. Obviously the corner blocks are not necessary. They're optional, but if you don't use the corner blocks, you just simply have to miter cut the trim for the corners. But we went ahead and used the corner blocks. So we'll set the corner blocks here and silicone them into place. And then we'll measure over and cut the other trim so that it's flush or maybe just a little bit proud of the edge of the panel. So we'll go ahead and put both corner blocks in and then install all three pieces of the mosaic tile trim. So we have the corner blocks up and we cut the back mosaic tile piece to correct length. Just go ahead and set this in place. We have silicone on the back. Make sure it's all lined up correctly for the mosaic tile. This one here for the shower head, we cut the hole for the shower head to go through. So after installing the mosaic tile, we'll put the little piece above. Now the piece above the mosaic tile can be any height. It's just determined off of how tall the panels are or how far down you want the mosaic tile from the top edge of the panel. This is a little bit of a smaller piece than probably normal, but that's what seemed to fit in this bathroom. So we'll go ahead and install this. We have silicone on it. We'll just set it into place.